How to share your IGTV video to Instagram feed. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On March 1, 2022, Instagram's parent company Meta announced that the shutdown of IGTV. This was due to the focus on Instagram Reels. Now all the IGTV videos are merged into the Instagram application. However, even though Instagram has dropped the IGTV button, it doesn't mean you cannot use it anymore. You will just no longer be seeing the IGTV shortcut button on the top right corner of the stream. As it used to be earlier, when you are uploading a longer video, you will get a prompt for whether you want to share it as a short video or a long video. If you pick long video, then a full length video will be shared on IGTV and a preview of it, which is 60 seconds, will be shared on your feed. When anyone watches the video on your feed or the reel, they will have the option to watch the whole video on IGTV once the 60 seconds is up. So this is how you can share your video by selecting the long video on IGTV and it will be shared on the Instagram feed itself. You can also make any additional changes as you like on the video. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.